Next, we have to discuss about pie charts. What is pie chart? This is a special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data. Pie charts are specific types of data presentation where the data is represented in the form of a circle. In a pie chart, a circle is divided into various sections or segments such that each sector or segment represents a certain proportion or percentage of the total. Next, we have to discuss about pie charts introduction. So here, perceptual theory suggests that pie charts are not a good way of presenting information because they are based on angles or areas. So often, pie charts are presented with the values as parts of or close to the pie slices labels. This indicates that it is hard to decode the encoded values. Pie charts are only useful for proportions, they can't be used for other kinds of values. So here, first answer these questions based on the following. So here, first question is that the operating profit in 1991 to 92 increased over than in 1990 to 91. Option A 23%. Option B 22%. Option C 25%. Option D 24%. So here our answer is option A 23%. Why? Because percentage increase, that is equal to 160 minus 130 into 100 divided by 130. That is equal to 300 divided by 13. So that is equal to 23%. Our next question is that the interest burden in 1991 to 92 was higher than that in 1990 to 91 by option A 50%, option B rupees 25 lakh, option C 90%, option D rupees 41 lakh. So here our answer is option B rupees 25 lakh. Why? Because interest in 1990 to 91, that gives 30% of 130. So that is equal to rupees 39 lakh. Next, interest in 1991 to 92, that gives 40% of 160. So that is equal to rupees 64 lakh. Hence, their difference is 64 minus 39. So that is equal to rupees 25 lakh. Our next question is that if on an average of 20% rate of interest was charged on borrowed funds, then the total borrowed funds used by this company in the given 2 years amounted to option A rupees 221 lakh, option B rupees 195 lakh, option C rupees 368 lakh, option D rupees 515 lakh. So here our answer is option D. Why? Because total interest, so that is equal to 30% of 130 plus 40% of 160 plus, that is equal to 39 plus 64, that is equal to rupees 103 lakh. If this total interest is charged on borrowed funds, then 20% of borrowed funds is equal to 103. Hence, borrowed funds is equal to 5 into 103. So that gives rupees 515 lakh. Our next question is that the retained profit in 1991 to 92 as compared to that in 1990 to 91 was option A higher by 2.5%, option B higher by 1.5%, option C lower by 2.5%, option D lower by 1.5%. So what is our answer? Here our answer is option D. Why? Because retained profit in 1990 to 91, that is equal to 25% of 130. So that is equal to rupees 32.5 lakh retained profit in 1991 to 92. So that is equal to 20% of 160. So that is equal to rupees 3 lakh. Hence, percentage change in retained profit is equal to 32.5 minus 32 divided by 32.5. So that gives 1.5% lower. Our next question is that the equity base of these companies remain unchanged. Then the total dividend earning by the shareholders in 1991 to 92 is option A rupees 104 lakh, option B rupees 9 lakh, option C rupees 12.8 lakh and option D rupees 15.6 lakh. What is our answer? Here we know total dividend earned by shareholder in 1991 to 92, so that is equal to 8% of 160, so that is equal to rupees 12.8 lakh. So our answer is option C, rupees 12.8 lakh. Next, I introduce bar graph. So what is bar graph? A bar graph, also called bar chart, is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. So a bar chart or bar graph is a chart or a graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. A vertical bar chart is sometimes called a line graph. A bar graph shows comparisons among discrete categories. One axis of the chart shows specific categories being compared, and the other axis represents a measured value. Some bar graphs present bars clustered in groups of more than one, showing the values of more than one measured variable. Next, we have to discuss about grouped or stacked. Bar graph can also be used for more complex comparisons of data with grouped bar charts and stacked bar charts. In a grouped bar chart, for each categorical group, there are 2 or more bars. These bars are color coded to represent a particular grouping. For example, a business owner with 2 stores might make a grouped bar chart with different colored bars to represent each store. The horizontal axis will show the months of the year and the vertical axis will show the revenue. Alternatively, a stacked bar chart could be used. So here, the stacked bar chart stacks bars that represent different groups on top of each other. The height of the resulting bar shows the combined result of the groups. However, stacked bar charts are not suited to data sets where some groups have negative values. In such cases, grouped bar charts are preferable. Grouped bar graph usually present the information in the same order in each grouping. Stacked bar graph present the information in the same sequence on each bar. The compound interest. Note that the formula A is equal to compound interest plus P will give us total amount. To get the compound interest only, we need to subtract the principal from the amount.